Did you know woodpeckers peck up to 1,200 times per minute? That's faster than a hummingbird's wings, yet they never get concussions. Their skulls have a special spongy bone called trabecular bone that absorbs shock. The woodpecker's brain is also surrounded by cerebrospinal fluid acting like a cushion. Their neck muscles are incredibly strong and support the rapid deceleration forces. Scientists discovered that woodpeckers experience up to 1,200 Gs of force per peck. This is incredible engineering that protects their tiny brains every single day. If you love animals, smash that like button right now, like if you learned something new today. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts every day.